Hello, in today's video I'm going to share the top 22 whole foods that are high in the mineral magnesium. The major benefits of magnesium are it's needed for several functions such as energy production, DNA and RNA synthesis, blood pressure regulation and blood sugar regulation, bone health, nerve and muscle function, immune system support, and heart health maintenance. So, without magnesium, your muscles won't move properly, nerves won't send and receive messages as they should, your heart rhythm won't be steady, nor your blood sugar levels balanced, and joint cartilage will be unhealthy. Also, it's easily found in many accessible vegetables, fruits, grains, beans, as well as animal products, and it helps the body produce protein, bone, and DNA. Other benefits magnesium provides are it reduces type 2 diabetes, reduces risk for osteoporosis, reduces risk for cardiovascular disease, reduces migraines, reduces insomnia, asthma, and chronic pain. Some interesting facts about magnesium are, it must be sourced from our diet. The body does not produce magnesium on its own. Although magnesium is easy to obtain from natural foods, data suggests that around 60% of U.S. adults do not consume the daily requirement of this important nutrient. Less than 50% of magnesium consumed is absorbed by the body. Certain health conditions and medications can disrupt magnesium absorption, making it difficult for the body to maintain necessary levels of the mineral. Some people and conditions most affected are those with diabetes, those with alcohol dependence, those with hypertension, those taking diuretics to treat high blood pressure, those taking proton pump inhibitors to reduce stomach acid. It's needed to support over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. The body contains up to 25 grams of magnesium, with most being stored in bones and soft tissue. It's an electrolyte since it carries an electric charge that is vital for a multitude of body functions. A magnesium deficiency can cause numbness, tingling, abnormal heart rhythms, muscle cramp, seizures, fatigue, anxiety, migraines, diabetes, and more. If a magnesium deficiency persists for a long time, it can affect mineral balance, leading to osteoporosis, as well as increase the risk of stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. How much magnesium should you get daily? The answer will ultimately depend on age, gender, and other conditions such as if one is pregnant or breastfeeding. But in general, based on a 2,000 calorie diet, it's recommended that adults consume between 310 to 420 milligrams of magnesium daily. Here is how much magnesium specific people should consume daily. So, here are the top 22 whole foods that contain between 50 milligrams to nearly 400 milligrams of magnesium per serving. These are approximate estimates. There are many whole foods that contain adequate amounts of magnesium that weren't featured in this video, such as bananas, blackberries, flaxseed, and even animal products like milk and eggs. I encourage you to check out the links in the information bar below to discover what they are. It's important to mention that consuming too much magnesium in extreme amounts can lead to magnesium toxicity. Mild side effects of magnesium toxicity are stomach cramps, nausea, and diarrhea. Severe side effects include low blood pressure, irregular heartbeat, muscle weakness, breathing problems, and heart attack. However, it's rare that severe side effects will occur since the kidneys filter out excessive magnesium obtained from foods. Generally, magnesium toxicity occurs when magnesium supplements are taken. It's recommended to only take magnesium supplements under your doctor's advice and supervision. Unless your doctor determines you have a major magnesium deficiency and recommends you take a supplement, it's best to obtain your magnesium through a healthy, whole food diet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share so others looking for healthy and natural magnesium-rich foods can discover this video. Subscribe for more whole food and nutrition videos, and until next time, take care.